Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put TikTok videos in slow motion in Snapchat. So first things first, go ahead and open your TikTok app, and from here we're going to look for something, say for example a video. So in my case, I'm going to look from my wife's profile, and I'm just going to scroll here. Say for example this video here. So this is actually a dance move, and this is how it looks if we are going to look at it at a normal speed. Now if I'm going to click this button here, you should see Snapchat there as an option. Go ahead and click that one. Now, in order for you to actually go to the slow motion, you can just go ahead and swipe to the left. Alright, and then you will be seeing this a lot of options here available for you to use. Now we're going to go ahead and find this snail icon here. So the snail icon represents a slow motion effect here in Snapchat, and you can see it is now being slow motion. I think this is kind of 0.5 slow motion. I'm not really sure because there's no indication, but I think that's going to be the most logical one. Now, yeah, basically this is how you're going to do it. You can just go ahead and click this one, and then you can find here more options. So this is like 2 times speed and then 3 times the speed. And yes, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to put TikTok videos in slow motion here in Snapchat.